Now this song is dedicated to any Italian kid over here, any kid in general. Joey Cannoli, you know what I'm saying? Mikey Meatball, Eddie Spaghetti, Ricky Ravioli. This is for you. Seems like yesterday we used to roll the dough. I shakes the cheese with the sausage, yo. Far from being like dominoes. Cheeseglorious, they got to know that pizza ain't like what it used to be. Little Caesars ain't got shit on me. Even though you're gone, I stay cooking. Joey's Kitchen's how it used to be. In the future, bring eggs and cheese. Will you open up the oven for me? You'll reminisce sometime the night that you fell in. Try to clean it out, but it smells again. This is real, my recipe is too hard to steal. Can't believe all the cheese I seal. Every crust I bake, every toss I make, every single day, every time I pay, I'll be eating you. Every take and bake, any size they make, with a chocolate shake or a cheesecake, I'll be eating you. Though it's kinda hard with no food around, I know you're in heaven chowing down, watching me as I bake for you. Every day I wait for you, till the day we eat again. In my stomach's where I keep your friend. Recipes give me the strength I need to proceed, the strength I need to believe. The stomach is just like a sign. Wish I could turn back the oven time. I'd do anything to get half your breath. I know you're still making pizzas after death. I'm sorry. I can't. Oh my god. Oh, this is too much. I don't mean to get so sentimental, but every crust I bake, every toss I make,